Water is the only substance on Earth that exists naturally as solid, liquid, and gas within the temperature range of normal life. Ice on a mountain, a river flowing through a valley, steam rising from a hot spring. The same molecule, H2O, in three completely different forms. Most substances exist in only one state in conditions we know. Water alone moves freely between all three. This is not a small thing. Without this unusual behavior, life on Earth would be impossible. The water on Earth today is the same water that has been here for 4 billion years. It does not leave. It does not disappear. It cycles from ocean to cloud to rain to river to ocean again, endlessly without stopping. The water falling on your window right now may have once been in the Amazon River, may have once been in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of ancient China, may have once been drunk by a dinosaur, exhaled as breath, risen as cloud, and fallen again. The same water, forever changing form, never truly leaving. The human body is 60% water. The brain is 75% water. The blood that carries oxygen to your heart is 90% water. When you cry, you are releasing water that has been in the cycle since before humans existed. Consider what this means. The water inside you right now has been inside other living things, has been in rivers and oceans, has been in clouds above continents that no longer exist. You're not just carrying water. You're carrying the memory of everything that water has passed through. Life on Earth began in water. 3.5 billion years ago, the first living cells formed in the ocean. Every form of life that has ever existed on this planet, every insect, every tree, every fish, every human being, carries that origin within it. We all began in water. We still carry the ocean inside us. The salt concentration in human blood is remarkably similar to ancient seawater, as if we never fully left. In the 1990s, a Japanese researcher named Masaru Emoto began an unusual experiment. He exposed water to different things: music, spoken words, written words, prayer, and then froze the water and photographed the crystals under a microscope. Water exposed to the words love and gratitude formed perfect, symmetrical crystals of extraordinary beauty. Water exposed to hatred and anger formed broken, distorted structures. Water that heard Mozart formed elegant geometric patterns. Water that heard heavy metal formed chaotic shapes, as if the water was listening, as if it was responding. Scientists dispute Emoto's methods, but they agree on something else. Water molecules do form temporary structures called hydrogen bond networks. These clusters form and dissolve constantly, but some researchers believe they can hold the impression of what has been near them, even briefly, like the shape of a hand remaining in clay after the hand is removed. If water has even the faintest capacity for memory, consider what that means. Every drop of water on Earth has passed through billions of years of history. What has it been near? What has it absorbed? What is it carrying? "2,500 years ago, the Chinese philosopher Laozi wrote 8 words that have never been improved upon. The highest good is like water. Water benefits all things and does not compete. It flows to the lowest places that others avoid. And in this, it is close to the Tao. Water has no ambition. Water has no ego. Water simply moves toward wherever it can go. And in doing so, it fills every empty space, reaches every living thing, sustains every form of life on Earth. Water is the softest thing in the world. And yet water wears a waystone, not by force, by persistence. A river does not fight the mountain. It flows around it, under it, through every crack, year after year, century after century. And eventually the mountain is changed and the water continues. This is what Laozi meant. Softness overcomes hardness. Gentleness overcomes force. Water understands what most living things forget. You do not have to win today. You only have to keep moving. We're mostly water, looking at water. When we stand at the ocean, we are water gazing at water. When rain falls on our face, water is greeting water. When we drink, we are welcoming back something that was always partly us. Perhaps this is why water affects us so deeply, why the sound of rain calms the mind, why the ocean feels like coming home, why we weep at things that move us. Water recognizes water, and in that recognition, something ancient stirs, something that remembers being ocean, something that remembers being rain, something that has been cycling through this world for 4 billion years and is not done yet.